Hello everyone, I'm Sona Bhatt, your interview coach, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we will be discussing something very important for your resume. We will be talking about top 5 soft skills that you should add in your resume so that it gets shortlisted quickly. Soft skills tell the recruiter how you will be an asset for the organization. Can you work under pressure? What are your real capabilities? That's why 93% of hiring managers want to see these soft skills in your resume. So in today's video, we will cover top 5 soft skills you must add, important keywords to optimize your resume, and real examples showing how to write these soft skills in your resume. But before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the like button. It really motivates me to create more content like this. Now, without any further delay, let's get straight to the point. So the skill number 1 is communication skills. Being able to communicate effectively, both verbally and in writing, is the key to get hired quickly. Employers hire good communicators because they can get better deals for the organization, resolve customer problems, and give presentation. Important keywords to use in your resume for showing your communication skills are active listening, constructive feedback, presentation skills. And here's how to give the perfect examples of your communication skills in your resume. Increase company revenue by 30% by using strong communication skills to persuade customers to buy our newly launched product. Customer was convinced after I explained the product benefits clearly. Have you noticed? This example shows how you use your communication skills to get better results. And this is exactly what hiring managers look in your resume. Now the second skill is adaptability. This skill shows that you can adapt to new challenges quickly. It also shows that you are open to learning new skills and you want to stay relevant to the job market. Important keywords you can use in your resume are fast learner, open to learning new skills, stress management. Let's say that you have recently learned a new skill or completed a certification and you used it in your work. Here's how to mention it. Completed my data analyst course along with my regular work. This helped me improve company revenue by 20% by analyzing customer data and providing management with the important insights about customer trends. This example does two things. First, it shows that you completed a project. Second, it shows that you use that learning to help the organization. And that's the perfect answer. Now let's talk about skill number 3. Teamwork. Teamwork shows your interpersonal skills and your ability to work with others. Important keywords you can use here are collaborative, relationship building, conflict management. Here's a great example. Managed a team of 10 members and worked together on a project that successfully increased company revenue by 25%. Have you noticed? I used numbers here. 10 members, 25% increase. Using number in your resume increases your credibility. It makes you look like someone who can solve real problems. And that's exactly what HR manager wants. So now let's talk about skill number 4, problem solving. Problem solving skill shows that you can find effective solution when challenges comes up. And important keywords are observation, logical reasoning, decision making. And here's a great example. Successfully resolved a deadlock with the client and closed the deal with X lakh for the company. Short, clear, and result focused. And that's what makes your resume impressive and stand out. Now let's talk about our skill number 5, attention to detail. This skill shows that you are careful and thorough in your work. Important keywords you can use here are observant, attention to detail, quality focused. Here's how you can write it on your resume. Paid close attention to all client requirements, took detailed notes and delivered accurate results. The client was so satisfied that they referred our work to other customers, and this led a 30% increase in the revenue. See how this example works? First, what you did, you paid attention. Second, the result, client was happy, and the impact, you got more revenue. Perfect formula. So that's it for today. Remember that just listing the skills will not give you any benefit. You have to give the real examples. You have to show in your experience that you use these skills and these skills really help the organization. This video will definitely help you to write a strong resume that will give you more interview calls. If you have any doubts, leave them in the comment section and I will answer them for you. I will see you in another video with another important topic that will help you land your dream role. Keep following your interview coach Sona Bhatt to ace your job interview. Good luck, take care, and bye-bye.